Okay, determine whether a function is linear. The first way to determine a function is linear is just by looking at the set points, the time and distance, and time representing x and the distance representing the y points. You look at them and see if the rate of the numbers stay constant the entire time. It looks like this rate is +2, and I'll show you how it works. Each number increases or decreases by the set number, and this one is +2. So -6 plus 2 is -4, and -4 plus 2 is -2. -2 plus 2 is 0. 0 plus 2 is 4. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 6 is 4 plus 2 is 6, and 6 plus 2 is 8. And for the distance, the number is supposed to stay constant throughout the same thing, and this one is +3, so it goes like that the entire time from -7 to 14. Now, to tell whether a function is not linear, the number, it won't stay constant the entire time. To tell it's constant, you just check any of the numbers again. So right here, it looks like it's going +2, and again, it's 2 more. But right here, it changes. The number is being counted by it's +1 instead of +2. And then it decreases by 5 and increases again by 6. So you could tell that it's not a linear function. So if the entire top was right, you would need to check the bottom as well. So we're going to check the bottom too. 3 to 4, that's adding 1. But right here it changes and it's +4 instead of +1. So neither one of these are constant, and it's not a linear function. Another one, we'll just put the first one in a fraction, change in distance, change over time. So you would take 2 of the points and put them in there, and it would stay the same throughout the whole thing. The other way to determine whether a function is linear is to graph it. So I took all of these points and I graphed them. -6 to -7, -4 and -4, -2 and -1, 0, 2, 2, 5, 4, 8, 6, 11, and 8, 14. And it goes in a straight line, proving that this function was linear. Now this one, as I previously stated, is not linear, and you can tell by the dots. It goes from 5, 3 to 7, 4 to 9, 8, 10, 2, back to 5, 3, and 6, 1. So the dots don't even go in one order, and they change. Also, if a function is linear, it'll have this line equation. An equation of a line is y equals mx plus b. The m and b are constants, and the x is the variable, and the x is the slope. And you find the slope by looking at a line and doing rise over run. So the rise over run for this one is negative. You take 2 points and do that. So you go, I'm going to take this one, -2 down 1, and 0, 2. You go up 1, 2, 3, and over 2. So the slope is 3 over 2. So far I have y equals m 3 over 2 plus b. And b is going to be where it crosses the y-axis, and it crosses it at 2. So it's going to be y equals m times 3 over 2 plus 2. And that's the equation of this linear function.